In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Jotform responses. Whether you're new to Jotform or you've been using it to collect information, feedback, or survey responses, knowing how to access and review the submissions can enhance how you interact with your data. By following these simple steps, you'll become proficient in navigating the Jotform platform and leveraging the valuable insights your forms are gathering. First things first, we'll need to head over to the Jotform website. Simply type in jotform.com in your browser's address bar or your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find it neatly organized, offering you insights into what Jotform is and what it can do for you. However, our focus today is to view responses, so let's move forward. Now it's time to log into your account. You'll notice a login button prominently displayed, usually at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. It will guide you to the sign-in screen where you have a couple of options for how you wish to proceed. If you've connected your account to Google or any other platform, you can sign in using those credentials. It streamlines the process, especially if you prefer a single sign-on feature, making it not only faster but also more secure. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here you will find all your forms listed, but we're looking for a specific section titled My Forms. Clicking on this will take you to a page where all your active, archived, and draft forms are neatly displayed. This section is crucial because it is the gateway to all your form-related activities, including viewing responses. As you hover over any of your forms, you'll find several options appearing. One of these is labeled Inbox. This is exactly where you need to click next. The inbox function is specifically designed to store all the responses your form has received. By clicking here, you'll open a window to all the information people have submitted. It's organized, easy to read, and accessible. Whether you're looking for feedback, analyzing survey results, or simply gathering contact information, the inbox section will efficiently present all the data collected. And that, my friends, is how you can view your Jotform responses in a nutshell. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie to the world of online forms, Jotform makes the process straightforward and user-friendly. But before we wrap up, let's go through a couple of extra tips that might enhance your experience. 1. Regularly check your form responses. It's not just about collecting data, it's about reacting to it, understanding trends, and making informed decisions based on the insights provided. 2. Take advantage of Jotform's various tools and integrations. You may find that connecting your form responses to other platforms can automate workflows and boost productivity. And lastly, don't forget about privacy and security. Make sure you're familiar with Jotform's policies regarding data protection and understand the measures in place to keep your and your respondents' information safe. There you have it. Viewing form responses on Jotform is as simple as following these straightforward steps. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to navigate your Jotform account confidently. Whether you're collecting data for personal reasons, business, or non-profit work, accessing and understanding your form responses is crucial. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions or additional tips to share. Happy form building and see you in the next video.